Do you do anything special? Do you do anything? No? You just stand there, that's all? Okay. We're looking for the top 5 essentials. And ironically, I did not make a list. This right here is going to be my number 1. Very important to have when it comes to starting in the construction industry is how to carry your tools. That would be essentially your toolbox, and that's something that you definitely want. See this bundle, and it looks like a hammer drill, an impact, a sawzall, a circ saw, and a flashlight. Who needs a flashlight? But right here, this guy right here for $229, this one right here is gonna be drill and impact. That's gonna be my number 2 pick out of the 5. Let's see what this price was on this right here. This is $8.99, believe it or not, the little tag's right down there. For $229, you can get started with that. Essentially, here's what you get. They came out with these newer models, $199. For this kit, it keeps getting cheaper. So for this kit, it's going to be $199. You're getting the impact and you're getting the drill, which is going to be my number 2 pick. And you can get those guys together. So you would essentially buy the both of them, and this is what you would get. You notice this impact's a little bit different because it has the lights on the front, the 3 lights, the 3 rings, and this one has just a light right there. It's the cheaper model that you're getting, but this is really all you need, especially based on what you're trying to accomplish and what you're trying to do in the construction industry. You guys know that I've done a lot of different things if you've been a subscriber of this channel. Okay, so right over there by the comments, you're gonna see on the mobile hype. You're gonna hype up this video. You can use 3 hypes a week or so. So I would like for you to use all 3 on me. Please do, since I'm giving you the top 5 getting started in the construction industry. I appreciate that. Commercial's over. Let's get back to the tool review. So you have drill, impact, it's an 18 volt. So based on whatever type of work you're going into, you might want to get more of a heavy duty. And these right here are $199 as well. Remember, we're still on number 2. So I've made this mistake so many times. But you have this big boy right here, the M18, looks like the chainsaw setup. Like Jesus Christ, you can take anything down with that right there. And it looks like this guy right here is like $299. And this one right here will be more of a $149. So some type of cutting tool, you're going to need some type of cutting tool typically. The circ saw will get you in most places. You have the hacksaw, you have grinder, you have the oscillating tool right here, which is going to be our 3rd pick. So you have the book bag as your toolbox, you have your drill and impact as your fastener tool, you have your cutting tool, which is going to be a circ saw, a sawzall, bandsaw, oscillating tool, the grinder. There's so many different tools, but what I would definitely recommend would be the circ saw in most cases, especially if you're going into some type of woodworking. So when it comes to the DeWalt tools, right here they have drill and impact. The cheaper model is what we're kind of going after, but it looks like $249 for this set right here. Going to give you a hammer application. It's going to give you your impact. I might just do a whole separate video on each brand as far as the 5 essential tools. If that's something you guys want to see, put that in the comments and we can talk about Makita, we can talk about Milwaukee, we can talk about Rigid, and we can also talk about Ryobi. And Ryobi is definitely going to be your budget tools. If you're a DIYer, these are the 5 tools. So I might actually do a video series on the top 5 tools per brand in regards to understanding what you really need as far as the different tools. As far as some other little hand tools, what you're going to need is tape measure. It's going to be an essential tool that you're going to use as my 4th pick. I do believe we're on number 4. As long as I've been in the construction world, I still like to use what I essentially call a dummy tape measure. So if you can see that right there, it breaks it down by the 1/8, the quarter. It doesn't break down to 16th. Okay, so there we go. We got ourselves an inch or so, and you can see where that guy is really breaking down by the 1/8 or the quarter or so on and so forth, which is a really good tape measure to have if you just don't know. The fatter tape measure will give you, you have to really know how to read the tape measure, but it's going to stand out further. My number 5 pick, I'm gonna give you one bonus. It's going to be, since I'm right here, it's absolutely going to be some type of screwdriver set. It's a DeWalt set. This one right here is kind of like a 10-in-1. You can get a set like this. You can go even cheaper with Husky in regards to having the ratchet, which is going to be great for you, where you're not going to have to twist it as much as you really think you need to, because it's going to ratchet for you. Okay, so let's count this out. We have our tool bag, number 1. Number 2, we have our drill and impact. Number 3, we have our cutting tool, whatever cutting tool you choose. I would go with the circ saw. Number 4, we have a tape measure. And number 5, we have our screwdriver set. And honestly, you can start yourself an entire handyman business just from those tools and those tools alone. Make sure you hype up this video. I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.